Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the browser DevTools with F12 or Control plus Shift plus I. On Mac, use CMD plus Option plus I. Once open, right-click the text on the page and choose Inspect to jump directly to its DOM node. You'll see the element highlighted in the Elements panel. Make sure it's the right tag and class so you change the correct text. If the element is nested, expand parent nodes. This prevents editing the wrong copy on the page and saves time. Once the node is selected, double-click the text portion or right-click and choose Edit as HTML to change content inline. You can type new words or paste updated copy, then press Enter to apply. Press Escape to cancel. For single-line updates, you can also switch to the console and run element. Inner text equals your text or element. Text content equals your text. This is faster on dynamic sites. Make sure to check spacing and punctuation so the layout doesn't shift unexpectedly. To finish, verify the page now shows your updated text and test interactive behaviors like links or scripts. Keep in mind changes are temporary in DevTools. A refresh restores the original content unless you save edits back to source files or use workspaces. If your change disappears quickly, investigate JavaScript that re-renders the element or CSS that overrides content. In the console, observe mutations or network activity. If needed, copy the edited HTML to your.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.